Alright guys, so just got new RCAs for the Blazer. I got the KnuKonceptz RCAs. I got their low end ones for the short jumpers, and I got which are the cheapest ones are called Klarity cables. The next step up is Karma cables, and then their third option is called crystal cables. All of it spelled with a K, you know, KnuKonceptz. But I got some old Stinger 4 channels in here. I used them because I was just in a pinch. And if I can even get the damn things out of here, here we go. Yeah, all this long ass bullshit just to connect my two master amps to my audio signal splitter here from Audio Pipe. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna pull these off. These are just some cheapy, yeah, just BS RCAs that I found to run the inputs, outputs for the master slave. So we'll pull these old Stinger ones out of here. They're not bad or anything. I mean, it all works, but I just don't like having a bunch of random mismatched stuff. So, and obviously I need a lot shorter. So that's what I've got. See if I can get these to come off without pulling the hole. These Stinger RCAs make a tight connection. They are no joke. Can't tell you, I've pulled the outside shield off the RCA on these amps because they're not the Tiffany style. Sucks, but I mean, Audio Pipe, they're excellent amps. There's just a couple little things that I would change if given the option. But they definitely do rated power and never had any fail on me. So I've been running Audio Pipe for about 7 years now with nothing but good luck. So I will continue to use them. Alright. Here's my KnuKonceptz Klarity cables. Go ahead and take. Oh man, these are tight too. Crap. Do I just run them straight down? Dip them in this corner. Go straight up. Yeah. What do you guys think? I think I can live with that. Just kind of shove all this under here. I'll tuck it up in a minute. So we got our inputs. Oh yeah. And then we'll be adding 2 more amps here soon, within the next month or so. And I've got another set of RCAs to come from up here and go to that next one. And then I've got a set of RCAs to go from these 2 to here. And then I got another set, so I'll have another pair, so I'll have just one single RCA extra. So now we will split these 2. This one will come up here. I plan on adding fans later. Just gotta find time to do everything. The main concern. And then I'll bring this all the way under this amp to the back of the back amps. We'll pull these apart. Get the black one down here. Don't know if you guys can see that, but you'll see when I'm done regardless. To the bridge in. And then this one again to the bridge in. All right, see, that's much better. I can live with that. Just tuck that up under there. Yeah, so we went from this nasty ass mess with these cheapy old RCAs to that. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot smoother. I'm gonna fasten these down here with this and tighten some things up. Other than that, I still gotta do something with this fucking jank ass mess here. I gotta figure something out there. I'm gonna trim this down, make this a little shorter. Adjust these two back here. This bottom one needs shortened up a little bit so it's not going clear and then coming back. And then the grounds, they need shortened up a little bit too, but for now it's clean, it works. I mean, yeah, a lot of little piddly stuff needs done back here, but for now, oh wow, this is dirty. She's a dirty girl. Couple dirty girls right here. Have you? Ugh. Yep. I'll pour lithium. She's getting dirty too. Oh boy. I have to clean it up back here one of these days. Well shit, I guess that's it. There's a how-to on how to replace RCAs. Like you needed that.